Okay, so here are all the engines. I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Okay, so this one has some minor updates, but notable ones. Turn it around. Okay, so the chassis is black, but I still need it for this one, of course. Okay, so the cab inside is also red, and I've added the regulator. Although, from the side, it's not really my favorite, because I had to lose a piece of the roof. Oh, and the boiler is smoothened out, with the safety valve, too. Now that that's out of the way, we can move on to the Great Western 5700. Okay, so here's my Great Western 5700. As you can see, I've added the cab, bunker, chassis, and boiler and pannier tanks. Yeah, I like it. Not much to see here. Okay, so I will go into how I made this in a separate video in the future. Moving on to the Caledonian 812. Okay, so here is the Caledonian 812. So, nothing new to the front. We've added a whistle. Placed with the safety valve. And the tender is fully covered. I'm gonna add the filler cap on this someday. For now, I think I'll leave it like that. Yeah, so that's all I have for this custom. Hey guys. Okay, so here I have my GWR 5700, my Caledonian 812, and my Furnace K2. So, let's start with the Furnace K2.